My name's John Ralph, I'm the Managing Director of JDR Lift Services Limited. We're an independent lift maintenance provider. We've been operating for 13 years, starting as a subcontractor, slowly began picking up contracts over a 5 or 6 year period until we eventually had enough of our own contracts to maintain our own staff. From that point on, we slowly increased our portfolio to the stage we're at today, which is around about 800 units. So from the point of signing with Romex, we've started with a trial period for 1 month to trial the system and to make sure it covered everything that we wanted it to cover. From that point onwards, we signed to a permanent deal whereby the system was simply transferred over from the trial version. From the trial version to the full-term contract, it was a simple transfer over. All of our sites and locations were uploaded direct from Romex with no involvement from us whatsoever. So following the installation of the system, Romex provided a day's training at our offices to go through all of the different report systems and functions of the system. Very straightforward to use. Within a few days, all of our sites were geo-fenced. Being able to tell a customer when an engineer will be there, where he is at this precise moment, is important to us and for them. This system allows us to know exactly how long the engineer is there with evidence if the customer requires that evidence. Being that the system is people-centric, it gave us an overall view of that person's movements and activities rather than simply where the van was at any one time. The system's really easy to use, the interface is straightforward. Reports can be generated instantly for various activities. Location, finding the engineers, mapping a site to the closest engineer, very easy to use. It's important to know where engineers are at any given time so that they can be dispatched to a call out, particularly an entrapment, and also from a health and safety point of view so that we know that our engineers are safe. Being able to validate hours or time spent on a particular site is important to us and the client, particularly on multi-lift sites whereby the number of service visits and call-outs is monitored by the client and by us. In the event of an emergency breakdown, an entrapment, we simply go onto the system, right-click on the map, and the map will give us the 5 closest engineers to that particular site. Once you've generated your reports, you don't have to go back into the system to access them. They will be sent to you automatically via email. The system generates reports for driver behaviour, and we also receive notifications for driver speeding via email. The main benefit we've seen is an improvement in timekeeping, speed of jobs, response to jobs. The Romex system has helped us to improve our cost efficiency. The savings generated from the Romex system far outweighs the cost of implementation.